Good morning from William B. Umstead Park here in Raleigh, North Carolina. Today we are out for a walk in the woods again, walking the Oak Rock Trail, and kind of seeing what the Hurricane Matthew did to this park. And already, we just started down the trail. Already we're seeing lots of down stuff. You can see over there, down tree. In fact, you could probably hear the sound of the chainsaws up the hill. They are working on cutting up a tree that fell down in the picnic area up there. You can see they've already been down this trail. Cutting up these branches and dragging them off. More down over there, so a lot more storm damage here than we saw down at Camp Durant. You're right. That log's been there, but that log back there with all the leaves still on it, that one's new. Wow, the storm knocked some old timers over too. That tree there, that's a big old dead tree. Came down in the storm also.
What species is called that?
This one is the Eastern Red Cedar.
What's that one called? The old road they used to use it, and they also had trees in the way, and they had to cut them up, and the tow trucks pulled the cars when they broke them down, and the people that was driving in the cars put on the truck shirts and pants to drive those tow trucks, and they also drive on this old road. And this was the old sidewalk. And also that was the road. And that was the old path.
Betsy's not making that up about the old road. Well, I'm not sure about the tow trucks and all that part, but this that we're standing on right here is an old roadbed. You can see on either side of it, there and over here, the drainage ditches that ran along the side of it. So this was once an old road that ran through the park here. Hey Bets, come stand over by this tree trunk right here.
No.
These tulip trees, these yellow poplars are massive. Look at the size of that trunk. Can you reach all the way around it? I don't think so. My goodness.
Dad, can you?
No. And there's 3 of them here that are just huge. Oh, Betsy found one she can hug. Look at that. Oh, Benny's giving it a hug too. Betsy, tell me how you knew that was a beech tree.
I don't know.
You don't know?
No.
But you knew it was.
Never. Another over there.
Yeah, all 3 of those are beech trees. How did you know that's a beech tree?
I don't know.
You don't know? You just knew?
Yeah, I'm gonna hug it.
She's right. They're all beech trees.
Another.
There's this nice little
Water.
peaceful little stream that flows right through here. Looks peaceful now, but when that hurricane was through, it was flooded all the way up to here.
Oh.
Benny just found this. I think the floodwaters must have unearthed this old glass bottle. That's pretty cool. And you found a leaf? It does look purple, Betsy. Cool. Nice find, Bets. And here's where the trail comes back up and actually follows the roadway for a little bit. See the old gate posts. There's one there and one over there. And where it crosses the stream right here, there's an old CCC constructed bridge right over here.
It's broke.
Yeah, well that's an old gate post.
Right there.
We'll go around and look at it from the side, from the downstream side. The old Stackstone CCC style bridge. Yep, here's more Fran or Floyd damage.
Oh, they're going that way now.
Yep, the old road goes up that way. This was a
And the
really big one that came down during one of those little hurricanes.
I see a clock.
Here is what gives the trail its name. There's a large rock with a large oak tree growing right out of it.
Yeah.
Walk around it. Let's see. It's pretty neat how the roots just grow right down into the
There's a spider web.
right down into the soil in between the
Hey,
chunks of rock.
there's spider webs.
There's spider webs all over it, baby. Of course, the oak tree is actively splitting this rock apart as it grows into it. Yeah.
She's big and strong.
Yeah, there's that root ball of that first big tree we saw that had fallen across the trail. Right here on the edge of this side of the trail.
That's a root ball?
Root ball, yeah, you could see down in the hole that held all the roots. That held the tree up.
Yeah.
Big oak tree.
I know.
Sometimes after we're done hiking at the state park and it's a nice day out and it's around lunchtime, we'll go and get a picnic lunch and come here and watch the airplanes take off and land. I really should time that better when there's actually something taking off or landing. There's a badger on the tail.
A black one?
There's this excellent observation deck that overlooks the runways. There's a little park out here. The model of the airport layout. It's really neat to come up here and get a good view of the control tower.
Go and bang, go.
Comes an American.
And bang, go and bang,
That one looks like it's taken off.
go and bang,
What do you hear, baby? What do you hear? Here they come, here they come. That's all you're gonna say? There he goes. What'd you see over there, B? It is blue. What did you see? Blue what? Here's something. Sounds like a helicopter coming out the other side of that hangar over there. Oh, there it goes. There goes the helicopter. I see it, bud. There you go.
I did it.
Well, my camera battery died while we were at the airport, so I wasn't able to wrap things up while we were there. So, after we got home, everybody took some naps. We decided to come back out one more time and enjoy this weather. And where will we come? Of course, Durant Nature Park. This is a new addition. That's really cool. I'm glad they're doing that.
Daddy long legs. Right there.
Okay.
That's camouflage. Right there. That's camouflage.
Oh, right there.
Camouflage. It's not moving. It's not moving. It doesn't want to be picked up.
I don't think. Can the camera even see it? Nope, there it is.
Yeah, that's the daddy long legs.
Yep.
I want the wagon.
Hey, B, what's that up in the sky?
The moon. Boom. I want it. Boom.
What do you see?
Boom. I still see
There
the
it
boat.
is.
Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. We're glad that you joined us. You can find adventure anywhere. Get out there and find you. See you next time.
Are we going to the car?
No.
You don't want to go to the car?
Yeah. I'm so sad.
You're so sad.
Yeah.
Well,
No, sad.
here.
To the park. I'm so sad. I'm so sad. I'm so sad.
I'm sorry you're so sad.